All right, welcome back, traders. How's everyone doing today on this fabulous Friday? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this amazing world, right? Man, AION, this one kind of caught me by surprise, but it formed this kind of crazy looking pattern, right? Well, this looks awfully familiar. We cover this pattern a lot, guys. It's a head and shoulders bottom structure here, and we're at this neckline. All right, we're talking about 857% measured move here. Okay, this asset can get up to $6 on this run. All right, this is a crazy setup. Okay, this weekly chart is looking really nice. All right, it's just now starting to create positive momentum. The weekly crossed bullish back here in February. All right, we're a little late to this one, but that's okay. There's still lots of upside here to be had on this asset. All right, and Icon, all right, ICX. This is another one with this major inverse head and shoulders pattern, all right, and broke this neckline. Guys, we're talking about an asset that's going to probably go back to its previous all-time highs in time, right? In time, right? So we're looking at $13 or $14 for this asset here. In maybe a couple months or less. You know, it could happen very fast. It can happen very fast. Now we're entering the parabolic mania phase of this bull market. All right, so we're gonna see assets do some crazy shit, like, you know, have like 47% moves and 40% moves, and in this asset 20% move today, right? So just lock in, guys. This is gonna get crazy. All right, and for those that have been with the channel here and following the channel since 2019, 2020, you guys know what's about to go down. All right, and for all of you new traders, well, welcome to the party. All right, the party is still underway and still lots of room to run on some of these assets. Okay. Great. I'm glad all of you guys were able to join me today. Make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys like the content here at STP. And if you're new to the channel and you've been watching the channel, let's just say for some time, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. All right. Black Sheep, what's up, dude? What's going on, man? How's that SAR bot working for you? We had a gentleman on yesterday. Talking about the SAR. Hopefully you guys like that. Maybe we'll do some more content like that as well on the live streams if we can. All right. So ICX we covered, AION we covered. We're gonna cover Walton Chain real quick. This was another major swing setup that I gave back in January. We actually bought this bottom down here, okay, and you guys can see right now that this is probably going to do. Let's go to Bukowski, man. Let's go back to the pattern site on the falling wedges. All right. Or in this case, it was a descending wedge. So, but let's go to the descending wedge. What's going on, Dave? Yeah, Icon is definitely on its way, doing some fun stuff. Maybe it's not called the descending wedge. I think it's just a falling wedge, and that's fine. We can just use this as our example, right? So it's from A to B, right? And A is the price target, right? Alternatively, compute the height from the highest peak to the lowest valley and then multiply it by the above percentage, meaning the price target. So A is all the way up here at 50 bucks. Okay. And the bottom, right? A minus B. 50 roughly minus 12 cents. So what does that put us at? 49.88 cents. Guys, if this asset does this whole move, I will probably be a very wealthy man. Just saying. Right? Even if it goes to like, I don't know, 20 bucks. That'll be pretty crazy. Nice little 10x trade from here. Right? Old school token, nobody's talking about it. Everyone thinks it's a dead project, but yet it's still trading on Binance. Listen, guys, if it's still trading on Binance, there's probably some viability there, all right? Just saying. Anyways, LSK. LSK made a crazy move today. Another old project, but also on Binance. Well, what do you know, man? We broke this neckline, and we back tested it and rallied. This thing is up 40% on the day. And yeah, this is crazy. This is also another crazy structure, right? So bottom of the structure to top of the neckline, 658%. %658% measured move, right? So I mean, here you guys go. This asset is basically telling us it's going back up to 26 bucks, man. All right. Pretty crazy looking structures on these assets, guys. All right, I don't know what FIRO is, but this thing is on a tear today. XMR. Monero, right? Yeah, Monero, man. Look at this big cup pattern, man. Let's go to Bolkowski on the cups. Well, let's just say it's a cup with handle. We don't know what we're gonna make when we get up there, right? So we might make a cup. From 7 to 65 weeks. Yeah, so this is like a major structure, right? On Monero here, about to break previous all-time highs. And so you break this 550 area, man. Your next real major targets are here, right? DXY is getting punished right now, guys. People asking about the DXY or the US dollar. It's coming back to the lows, all right? We got to break these lows, man. We break these lows, we are still, oh man, if this breaks this rectangle range, guys, we're looking at a major move down for the DXY, which is going to catalyze a major move for all markets. Are you guys paying attention? Are you guys listening? All right, and we're coming out of positive momentum on the weekly. This looks bearish as shit. This looks great for the crypto market. This looks absolutely fantastic for the crypto market if we get this bearish divergence to play out down to the downside on the DXY, guys. Let's get some hype in the chat for that. Let's get some hype in the chat. DXY, if this thing breaks down, we're talking about a major move down. Major move down. All right. All right. So we're talking about a move. Once we break this bottom, we're talking about targets down here, okay? This is how Bitcoin's going to get to 200K, guys. Are you guys listening? Are you guys paying attention? This is how it can happen if this happens. And right now, we are below the 21 EMA on the weekly. You guys already know what happens when an asset goes below the 21 EMA on the weekly. All right? You guys already know. Already know. Go to the monthly real quick, because also an important chart to be looking at. And you can see we're in a monthly breakdown right now. And if we break this 89.9 area, guys, this will be a breakdown confirmation on the monthly time scale. And this is the last hope for the dollar, down at 89, okay, on the monthly, which is one point away, man. We are 1 point away from a major effing breakdown on the DXY. All right, just so we know, the DXY looks like shit, which we know means good things for crypto, stock market, really all markets, any commodity. Literally any dollar-denominated asset will go up in value if the DXY drops. Okay? Cool. Let's look at Filecoin. I'll link, I guess Link and Dot were asked about. So Link, man. Here's the Link chart on the monthly, guys. Get some of this shenanigans out of here. Here we go, man. We are breaking the F out on Link right now on the monthly. Here's the weekly. We got the weekly breakout right here. You guys can clearly see it. Our next major Fibonacci target is roughly that $60 area, psychological number. And there's nothing up here, guys. There's no resistance. We're in price discovery. We're above the 21 EMA on the weekly. All right, guys, above the 21 EMA on the weekly. All right. You can see this squeeze too. This is crazy. Crazy stuff happening with Link, and I think you know this once we go into serious parabolic mania, guys, we're talking about a move to 120 bucks, right? Maybe a downsloping consolidation here. You know, we might break this parabola structure just to consolidate more, but yeah, man, this can go. We're looking at a $300 potential target for Link in the long. And then probably by the end of this run. Sounds crazy right now, I know. Oh my god, how's it gonna get to 300 bucks? Well, this is how, guys. This is the chart, alright? Can I check ETH Classic? Yeah, we can check ETH Classic. We're gonna check DOT. Can I check the like button? Can you guys check that? How about that? Can you guys check the like button? Just, you know, hit that like button. Man, am I too much or what? I feel like I too needy, man. I just need everyone to hit the like button. That. The polka dot. Thanks, Norbert. Appreciate that, man. All right, so DOT, you got to break this 45.80 area. It's interesting. I'm not really sure what type of real structure this is in. It's just in like a... I don't know, man. It's just like a descending, broadening formation. Yeah, it's kind of a descending, broadening formation on DOT. Let's see. It's going the other direction though, right? So, maybe just the rectangle on this. Because we have this like bottom side support. This is a rectangle. Rectangle for sure on DOT. Cool, yeah, so DOT looking at about a 56% measured move. $70 DOT incoming in the coming months. Let's see. Filecoin, right? Downslope consolidation pattern. You know, put in a double bottom here on the daily. Just kind of sideways right now. Obviously, this coin went on a pretty serious run. You could see some more consolidation here, right? This kind of looks like a cup with handle, right? But you know, there's no candle here, right? So this is textbook cup and handle. Here, let's go look at the cup and handle on Bolkowski here. Go. So we're missing this part of the structure, right here. But this to me looks like a major cup with a handle. All right. And so if we're looking at the cup, or we're looking at the handle, all right. 1 week minimum with no maximum, meaning it can take however long it wants. Forming in the upper half of the cup. We're obviously forming that. Right. So it's the bottom to the top. That's the measured move of the handle, guys. All right. Are you guys listening to me? An 873% measured move for Filecoin, which is what I have mapped out right here. All right. Right. Bottom of the cup to the top of the handle here. Okay, it's a little bit more. 1140. Yeah, these are the major swings. Major swing targets, $570 up to $1,400 on this run. George, BQX, MDX. If you guys really want me to cover something, you guys can always super chat me. That will get my attention, and that will put your request to the top of the list. Okay. ONT looks mental. Yeah, man. We were talking about ONT. I longed ONT around $1.80. That's gonna do some stuff. I actually personally own it. Like I think I bought like $5,000 worth of it around $1.80. So that should be pretty good. Voyager. All right, BQX. This looks like a cup with handle, right? You guys already know what the measured move is on the cup with handle. We just basically discussed it. Looks fabulous, man. Absolutely fantastic. All right, it even looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the daily chart within this structure, right? And you have that neckline, and there it is, and bang. So from the bottom to the top of the line here, we're looking at 87%, just on this little micro move. All right, just gonna bring you to this 850 target, roughly at the top of this wedge. All right. Let's see, storage. Same type of structure, same type of pattern, right? Breaking out right now. Spoke about this already, guys. Storage looking good. Again, the major inverse head and shoulders pattern setup, right? From bottom of the head to the neckline, 1,450% from this breakout. 1,450%. We're looking at a $10 swing target, man. That's what you're looking at. All right. Storage. LSK. We went through LSK a second ago. You guys can scroll back in the stream to look at that. Kusama MDX. some, right above the 21, and you can see what's happening. See what's happening here. We're pivoting, making this back test here off the previous resistance area. All right. So, you know, major targets up at 700 once you break this previous high. Okay. What did I miss? MDX. Let's see. MDX. Well, this doesn't look the best, right? You've tested this support once, twice, 3 times. Like, the more times you come down to test this support, okay, so like you're holding these lows up here, which is good, all right. But if you end up coming down to test this support again, you could get a move down on this asset, right? So I'm not saying that that's going to happen. I'm just saying just to watch out if you break these lows here at 280 and you come back down to here, 268 area. You've tested this quite some time, right? Tested here, got a nice bounce, right? And made a higher low, and then you got a rally, came back down to this low here, tried to spring and made a lower high, and came back down to this low again and got a spring but made another lower high, right? So if you can consolidate at these higher lows here, maybe you can get an official breakout, right? Maybe you can get the official breakout. Kind of a little bit unclear as to what. Yeah, the daily Stokes are starting to cross back up. You're consolidating towards the middle of the Bollinger Band range right here too. Like I said, just be careful with this one. Make sure you do not break these lows around the 268 area. All right. It does look like you might be rounding out. All right. If you round out here, you can cup out and definitely make a breakout. Okay. What did I miss? OGN? We don't have a big crowd today. I'm surprised. Lots of price action happening in the market right now. OGN looks nice. Falling wedge structure here, right? Low, higher low, double bottom. Gonna make definitely an attempt out of this structure. Right, and so we're looking, yeah, towards the top, right? 330, that's the major swing target. Four-hour actually looking really nice. I might even actually take a trade on this myself. Let's see, what's the hourly look like? Oh, ETH Classic. Yeah, I didn't cover that. We'll cover that in a second. Did you guys see the metal trade setup, man? Did you guys take that? This thing fucking ripped today. It ripped right up to the supply line. $1.44. This hasn't even done anything yet, man. This thing's about to go nuts. That'll pay. All right, Ethereum Classic requested. All right, we touched the 1.414 fib extension here at 170. Okay, perfect touch. So I suspect maybe a consolidation up here, right? Okay. Raven and XRP and NBS. NBS was first. This looks interesting. This looks like a newer coin. Looks very nice. Right, higher highs, higher lows, holding above the weekly 21. Big measured move once you break this trading range on this asset, NBS. All right, 1,372%. You're looking at about probably close to that $1 target, 80-cent target on this. Looks serious, man. I don't know what this coin does, but this looks serious. All right. Yeah, you just click it's like the money symbol, the super chat button, and you can tip me that way. I don't discriminate on the amount. It doesn't matter. You guys, you know, there's some streamers out there that like want like $30 a ticker or some stupid crazy stuff, but I'm not like that. You guys, whatever. I'm open to just helping everyone right now. So this NBS looks really good. Looks really interesting. Yeah, London Bobby, we can definitely look at the Coinbase stock. Yeah, definitely look at that actually. This asset looks good, guys. All right. Looks like this might do something here soon. Big move. Raven, XRP, and Steam, and then Coin. Raven. It's been a while since I've looked at this one. But I can see this. This looks like another rectangle, right? Rectangle targets on this. Oh, all right. Arun coming in with the $10 pound. All right. Let's look at Bitcoin Live. Right, so Bitcoin, right here on the hourly chart, is coming into a resistance area. We're coming right to this this resistance line right here. We are actually at a potential breakout point for Bitcoin, guys. We are breaking out right now. Right, so if you're in a long, you could take some profit here at 58.3. This is an area on the hourly that I would suggest to do that. Right, you're right at a resistance area there. And then if we do break it, you're looking at 58.7. That's the next major neckline. That's the next major resistance point here. All right, guys, we're gonna watch Bitcoin here for a bit. Gentleman Arun has tipped 10 pounds, and he deserves at least 5 minutes of watching Bitcoin live here. Might be in a live trade, I don't know, but here we go. You're coming up to this resistance area right here. It's not a bad place to secure some profit, right? Because what happens if you get a pullback right here? We're gonna see what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Looks like it's definitely trying to break this area. There we go. We got the break. Got the breakout. Here we go, guys. We could get up to 58.7 on this move now. There we go. Move your stops up if you're in a long, all right? Move your stops up. All right, 58,750. We're incoming. $200 away from that target. And that right there, guys, is the major breakout area for Bitcoin if we can do it above that 58.9 area. All right. And we're talking about a major move. The major move is back to the top of the range. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat, Patrick. We're going to check out Harmony 1. Arun, hopefully you caught some of this move, man. Right here, we're getting close to that 58,750 target on the hourly. Sorry about that. All right. Harmony 1. %, measured move out of this structure, right? We're looking up to 18 cents. But ultimately, what's going to end up happening, this looks like a mini cup formation, okay? All right, but we're talking step by step here, right? Low, higher lows, right? Got a pivot here, getting a little bit of a rally. We're going to come up to this area here on 15 and 15.8, okay? Go to the daily chart real quick. Perfect, you can see it. I can look at ANK, yeah, man. I mean, there's always that super chat button if you really are urgent to look at a ticker, guys. All right. This looks good. You really have this neckline here, right? 15.5 is the real major breakout point on the daily chart. What did I miss? XRP. XRP's next. Oh, wait, did I cover? Yeah, I did cover that, all right. XRP. Get some hype in this chat. Who's enjoying the stream with me here today? All right, so bottom of this range, right? The top on XRP range is 100% measured move. We're looking at about a $3 target. All right, should take us pretty close to that all-time high, right? 105%. This is actually projecting all-time highs for XRP on this range break. On this range break, all right? XRP. Maybe some more sideways price action. Consolidation above the 21 here. All right. What else did I miss up here? STMX 1-inch bit shares. There it is, man. That inverse head and shoulders pattern. that setup that I mean, like, it's slanted, but we got it. I mean, more like a downslope consolidation. We broke out of that as well. But I mean, you guys can see. I mean, however you want to really look at this, it's like all the same type of stuff. Just yeah. I mean, BitShares. Looking at a $1 target for BitShares. Downsloping channel, right? That's what this is. Wachowski, downsloping channels. Right. So here you go. The downsloping channel breakout occurs outside the trend line boundary. It can be in any direction, right? So you want to be buying, all right? You want to be buying on this breakout, which we got, okay? Alright guys, so these are the major fib targets here. I have plotted 16 cents is this major area here. Once you break that, there's really, you know, you got to break this resistance here, 1, 2, 3 areas to break. But really, this is just a not, I mean, there was some trading activity here, but not for that long of a period of time. So obviously we're about to go into parabolic mania phase in this market. So I think we're definitely going to see this asset, you know, do exactly what all the other assets are doing is just that, go up, right? What else did I miss here? ADA targets, STMX, or 1 inch was the next one, right? 1 inch. 1 inch, man. Where did I have this chart? I feel like I had a chart somewhere. It was a bullish rectangle. We broke out of it. There was a little bit of a triangle here that I had plotted, and it broke that as well. All right, so here's the bullish rectangle breakout on 1 inch. On up to $11. That's the next major fib target for 1 inch, guys. All right. You're in a breakout right now, and the daily has plenty of room to run. STMX. We plotted it, man. This is a downsloping channel, or a downsloping wedge structure. All right. And we're about to just bounce off this signal indicator here, probably to create some more positive momentum, right, and get a spike. And that's gonna send the price flying. I think this asset will probably do something crazy like that. Obviously, it's a smaller market cap coin, so this looks pretty good. Also, you know, your major target here is the top, right, 8 cents. BTT and Anchor ADA. See, we're gonna look at Anchor. You guys been asking about it for some time. He's still on a stream, that is. I assume you mean ANKR, Abdur Rahman. If that's what you mean, because that's what I'm gonna look at. And yeah, nice ascending triangle up here. Okay. The structure looks really nice. Looking at about a 226% measured move. All right. ADA targets. The bullish rectangle breakout target is 45%, so right around that $2 area. All right. ADA is in price discovery at this point. All right. ETT, BitTorrent. Now, falling channel breakout, right? Got this area right here to break above the 0.09 and then up to 1 penny target. And from bottom of the range, top of the range, we're looking at about 105% measured move from this breakout here. Putting BitTorrent up to close to 2 pennies, right? Sky. Never heard of this one. Let's take a look at it. Actually, maybe I have heard of this one. He's been around for a while, right? Oh man, look what you're doing. Coinbase stole 12K from you. Oh, you know what we didn't look at? We forgot to look at was Coinbase. Yeah. Yeah, this could be a buying opportunity on Coinbase. But there's no real structure or pattern yet, so I'd maybe wait. I don't know. You did make a reversal down here at the 1618 fib extension. Speaking about stocks, I just added to my long-term swing position on Space. All right. I just added to this position here. I think we could see major moves back to the upside on this asset. Right. We're getting pretty close to that bottoming area. We're in a down-sloping wedge formation. Right. And you can see how it's getting pretty tight down there. I think we can see a major move out of this asset pretty soon. All right. And we do have this area here as a supporting demand line. And long-term projection looks good on Space. And another one of my swing trades, my long-term swing trades here is Nikola Corporation. You guys know about this. I'm talking about it for some time. This is a falling wedge, and it had good earnings today. I mean, how much more dumping is this stock going to do? Yeah, it doesn't make any sense, right? So, you know, this thing putting in a nice double bottom here, double bottom, coming back into the structure. Okay, probably putting in a nice daily bullish engulfing candle. So this looks really nice. I think this is a great long-term swing trade. I'm dollar cost averaging a little higher than this, but that's okay. And I think this is going to make some major moves here in the coming weeks. Right. We covered BTT. We'll go back to Sky. I think Sky was in a nice inverse head and shoulder structure as well. All right. Go to this weekly chart, we can see the bottom. So like the real trade setup here is this, right? Bottom of the head, the top of the neckline, 1600% move. 1600% move. Are you guys listening? 1600% move. All right, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. I don't know what this coin does, but it's telling us that it's going to go up this much. All right, cool. Nobody needs to really pay attention. It's all right. SNX. I was looking at this the other day, actually. It looked pretty good to me. Yeah, so you got your sloping channel. Okay. And you have your boundary. And you have a breakout on the daily. Now the down sloping channel and the down sloping wedge structure got the breakout. SNX in time to the top, 55 bucks. All right, Zilliqa. Oh yeah, Steam. All right, let's check that one out first. The new Facebook, right? Don't laugh, guys. Probably will be. Probably will be something like this. I'm not going to include that crazy wick down there. We'll include this wick here because this seems like this was the bottoming area. And Actually, we'll just go to this wick here. Bottoming wick here. This is the lowest candle body that we got. So yeah, you can see the double bottom here, and you can now see this sort of neckline here that it's at. Right, and you know, maybe like some sort of slanted inverse floaters pattern, right? Almost the head, that's fine. (768% measured move from the neckline break. Yeah, man, let's see those ones, guys. I'm just giving you guys free technical analysis here. This is some information that people learn after years and years and years and years and years of studying markets, and I'm just giving it for free, man. That's it. I want to impact as many people as I can in this world. I want everyone to understand technical analysis and to get on the level that we're at here at STP. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys check out some of the STP products that we have. All right, if you guys like the indicators that I'm using, let me know about and guide me through the motions of the patterns, right? Get the real-time trading indicators, man. They're 57 bucks a month. I'm telling you right now, if you're not making 57 bucks a month back on your trades, then I don't know what to tell you. Seriously, I don't know what to tell you. My trade alerts, guys, for last month, I posted 24 swing trades. We actually just hired a new crypto analyst, guys. He does scalp trades, all right? He's a scalp trader. I would probably not use the kind of leverage he's using, but hey, that's up to the trader to decide. But he is posting scalp trades in the Discord for this same price here, $67 a month. So you get my swing trades. You get my swing trades on cryptos, on stocks, on options, and you get a gentleman that does option scalps and a gentleman that does scalp alerts for cryptos as well for 67 bucks a month. I mean, come on, where are you going to find that for that kind of price? Just saying. So for my swing trade results last month, I had 24 swings, 22 of which were profitable. All right, that's a 91.6% hit rate. Like I said, go find that somewhere else for 67 bucks a month if you can. All right, if you can. All right. The SARBot. All right, guys, this is one of our pristine indicators. 98.6% win rate. We have people in this chat, I'm sure right now, that are running the SAR indicator. If you guys are running the SAR, tell the chat what it's like. Tell the chat how much money you guys are making. We have users earning anywhere from 2 to 6% daily, all right? I'm not making this shit up. That's why it's 400 bucks a month. All right? All right, I'm done shilling. Let's go back to the chart. New Cipher and Raven. We covered Raven already. And we covered Harmony, man. Go back in the stream and take a look. $67 a month through the Discord. Is there a package set up for it? Caleb, what do you mean, man? A package set up for it? Oh, you mean like a package for indicators and alerts? If you're interested in something like that, definitely join the Discord and message me, okay? I'm Mr. Know It All on the Discord channel. If you guys are interested in both the indicators and the alert package, we do have some sort of combo package you guys can buy, but it's only for a yearly subscription. You will get a major discount if you guys are interested in that, all right? We covered Filecoin, Mala Jaffin. We covered that. What else are you guys looking for here? Luna. All right, so back to New Cipher. All right, we got this back test right here. I mean, this is perfect. Right on the weekly, we got it right here. All All right, we got it. We touched this wick. Bounced right off of it. Now we're above the weekly 21. All right. Just enough data here to see this. You can see this actually looks really nice. Right, you're making a higher low here, or maybe a bottom and a double bottom formation to then break probably out of this structure. All right. Cool. Very good. NASDAQ composite. All right, let's take a look at it. Yeah, NASDAQ composite dumped, right? We got this, had this double top, but what did we do? We pivoted right here off the 61.8% retrace, and we gapped up, man. We gapped up. Gapped up with the bounce. So maybe making a cup and handle formation, right? The cup with the handle. Especially with that DXY looking like shit, man. This definitely definitely an area to look at some of the tech stocks, all right? Thank you so much, Crypto Black Sheep, man. Appreciate you coming in here, telling people what's up, man. You know, it means a lot. It really does. I gotta hop on some of your live streams here later or something. We'll get some live TA on your channel too, man. Make sure you guys go check out Crypto Black Sheep's channel, all right? He's an awesome guy, man. We covered Link earlier in the stream, Coin Hodler. If you would like me to cover that again, you can always use that super chat button, man. I know it seems so much to just tip someone a couple bucks just to look at a ticker, but hey, we covered it already. You can either go back and look in the stream, or if you really want me to cover it again, super chat, please. Jordan, thank you so much for the $5 Canadian. Cake BUSD deep dive. All right, let's take a look at it. Excellent. All right, Cake coming down to the daily 21, getting a bit of bids, right? We can see that we're getting this bounce here, 2.5%. All right, I'm going to redraw some things on this chart that I see that could be beneficial for the longer term projection of this analysis. All right, we can see that this is basically this top, right? We can also see that we have some sort of parabola looking structure. It's there, but okay. But you want to really be drawing it from down here as well, because this is where the asset will probably go completely parabolic, right? And we're looking at this parabola structure rising. It is a rising wedge, all right? But these can break to the upside in a crazy bull market like we're in. And you're looking at about a 900% move, all right? Sounds crazy. We're looking at maybe a $500 cake or something close to it, man. I don't know. Parabolic Mania is upon us. I would say your major fib target here is this 200% retrace, which is this $150 area, right? And the daily, like I said, is bouncing off that 21, all right? It's bouncing off that 21, which is good. All right, you can see you're down sloping here, and you're in a consolidation. Okay. Getting tight on the range too, getting tight on the range, which means you probably will see a potential move back up to the top side of the range, and maybe make a bullish rectangle or something. Get a continuation, right? Wow, Dave, thank you so much for the $35 Not sure what that currency is, but thank you so much, man. Ah, the South African Rand. Excellent. Yeah, the end of the run, 50 bucks, probably December, man. Probably December. Rock on, brother. How much money is that, man? 0.13 BTC, man. That's a lot of effing money, dude. 0.1 is like $5,800. Dude, that's a $6,000 trade. Excellent, Arun. Great work, man. Excellent job, dude. Excellent job, man. We covered XRP, Ben. You're more than welcome to give me a super chat if you want me to cover it again. We will cover XLM for you, though. We did not cover XLM on the stream today. All right, so XLM looking like maybe a cup formation here. All right, and then maybe we get the handle, right, for the continuation. All right, we got up to this 886 fib extension again. LTC, BTC, we can look at it. Yep, sure. Let's take a look at that. Massive falling wedge structure, right? We broke out of it. You guys already know that the target is almost 2% of a Bitcoin. That's the major swing target, okay? It's really that simple. That's it. LTC, BTC looking really good on the weekly. Dogecoin, sure. So the descending broadening pattern played out. We broke out. We're now back testing this area here, making maybe a pivot right here at this support. All right, right at the 4-hour 21, getting a bounce here. All right, looks like another type of descending broadening structure. All right. We hold the 21. We make another continuation. Much like this structure right here. What else you guys got? Stinky Linky breaking out, boys and girls. Beautiful. Butterflies. Oh, beautiful, man. Look at this structure here. Right? Breakout, back test, and rally. Right? $30, man. Cutum. Major swing, $300, man. Major swing target for Cutum is $300. All right, guys. Well, don't have anything else. Well, that's it, right? GXS is another one. No one's talking about this token either. This token, I think, is about to do some funny stuff. What do you guys think about this? $78 swing target on this one. You guys ready for something like this to happen? Check that one out, boys. I don't know, man. The bot just doesn't like it. GX chain does look insane, doesn't it? I'm actually thinking about buying it. Maybe on the next pullback or something. Caleb, it's all good, bro. Everyone lives their lives, man. You know, can't always be watching me. Man, this looks silly, dude. I don't even know. I was talking about this thing when it was like 80 cents. Look at the volume coming in here. I mean, dude, this is sitting at 55 on the monthly RSI. And it's just getting above the monthly 21. This looks silly, man. Looks absolutely silly. XRP, is it breaking out? I looked at it before. Yeah, I mean, future of finance. Yeah, probably. Honestly, no doubt. I have major swing targets up to $9 to $32 on XRP. I'm just scrolling through charts. I really don't want to go back to my day job work. LRC looks nice, guys. Litcoin. I might actually buy this. Yo, Tal, what's up, dude? Chat, everyone say hello to Tal. He's one of my childhood friends. Litcoin, man, Litcoin. This coin looks pretty lit. Pun intended. We covered BitShares, man. BitShares looks like it's on its way to $1 by the end of the cycle. I think I'm going to trade Litcoin, guys. Look at the 15-minute real quick. If any of you guys need plotting out Litcoin here because the daily looks really nice. Trying to find maybe an entry on this. We're not really catching a bottom, unfortunately. Could wait for another higher low, though. What's OMI? Is that a crypto? Algo, yeah, Algo's doing well, man. We got a bag of Algo at 28 cents. Sitting on it. Algo looks good, man. Long-term chart looks great. I mean, like I said, $10 target for Algorand. Could go even higher. Depends on what happens in this bull run, right? Beautiful looking chart, man. Nice flag up here. Or ascending triangle. We could even get this breakout here. If this is an ascending triangle, we're talking about a major move on this. Talking about a major move, right? 64% of the way of the triangle. We get a breakout, right? We're about halfway. We may not get this breakout here. We might get, you might get one more fake out up here, and then back down, and then do it. Something like that. Remember, guys, don't try to trade breakouts. Try to, if you're gonna buy and hold something, you could try to trade like a longer term chart. That's fine. But like if you're, scalp trading or something, don't try to trade these breakouts. Try to wait for pullbacks, the dollar cost average into positions, and sell at the top of the supply lines. Just keep doing that over and over again. Eventually you will catch a breakout, but I don't suggest trying to catch them because most of the time you won't get a breakout, right? One fail, two fails. I mean, this is your third attempt, right? I guess the more times you test a resistance, the more likely it is to break the resistance. So if you are trying to trade this breakout, just be cautious. I personally won't be trading a breakout or try to trade a breakout, but I am holding a long-term bag of this asset. All right. ADA is moving. Yeah, we're looking at ADA before. Yeah, it can go, man. It can go to like $2. Sure. You have 2 million OMI. I don't know. Is that a lot? AION is ripping, dudes, ladies, gentlemen. That volume coming in looks pretty big. And Icon too, trying to make a break. KNC's another one long term, I think, with nice potential. Right, guys. Look at this parabola structure we got going on here, and major price projections up here. $17, $30. Some of these assets. That's talking about crazy moves still to come. It seems unreasonable, right? But I think that we're gonna see some of this stuff go down, man. It'd be nuts. Here's Metal Pay, right? Like up with handle. Yeah, got another attempt at a breakout here today. Got up to $4.57 on that trade. Gave an entry around this area, around this $4 area. Right? Bobby Singh. Sing to me, Bobby Singh. Look at ONT for Bobby Singh. ONT for Bobby Singh. Chat, say hi to Bobby Singh. Another one of my good friends. He's actually the gentleman that got me into cryptocurrency back in January of 2017. All right, but we're looking at a 545% measured move on ONT on this breakout, which is what we got here today. Got a breakout. And Arash, another one of my greatest friends of all time. We're gonna cover URUS for Arash. The hourly looks good. 4 hour looks nice. Nice double bottom here. Bottom, double bottom made. And yeah, looking for that 12% move up to about 35. Just on this little micro move up here. Nice triangle formation. And linked with Binance. Yeah, that's right. There was some big news about URUS, guys. Udzai 70. I don't know what that means. But thank you so much for the 35 I think Ran, right? Appreciate that, man. Can you do Have? Ave, you mean? Ave? Kudzai? Oh, Kava. Yeah, sure. What a structure on Kava, man. I got you, man. I got you. All right, so the 840 area is the breakout area here on the weekly. All right, you're above the 21 on the weekly. You're starting to go parabolic. That's what's happening here with this asset, okay? So from the bottom to the top of the structure, you're looking at about a 578% measured move on the weekly time frame. Now, we all know that that's not going to happen right away, but you could get a nice breakout, right? You could get a nice move up to like, 8 to 12 bucks pretty fast once you break this area here. 578% measured move. I think that's a longer term swing target, and you're looking at about a $60 Kava coin. Okay. If you were to extend this line out, you could see, the parabola structure forming. All right, Kutzai, does that help? This is the monthly chart. How about Bitcoin Cash doing some crazy stuff? There it is. Breaking the structure. $1,800 target for Bitcoin Cash here in the short term. AMD at the golden retrace zone right here on the monthly. Trying to break above it. Chainlink going parabolic, guys. Broke the major structure right here. Rallying right through it right now. Broke it, back tested it, and rallying. Quite the squeeze happening on the weekly too. You can see the momentum like building here on the weekly. Right, can get all the way up here. Maybe even break this. If you break that, man, talking about serious moves on a price. This looks super strong. Super strong. Alright guys, we've been live for an hour and 23 minutes. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream today. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in any of the SCP products, make sure you guys join the Discord, check it out. You can message myself, Mr. Know-It-All, in the channel if you guys have any questions about the SCP indicators, about the alerts, about the SAR indicator and the bots that we have. Make sure you guys check it out. Join the Discord. Catch you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.